No.
Hey guys, should we get potassium pancake or should we do this?
Let's try that.
Let's try this one.
I like this cabinet.
Oh, hi.
Hey guys, it's Sharon.
Somebody get me a pipette and I'll also need a
Pipette. It's okay, it's okay.
It's not that hard. Like, you guys
It is hard.
Let's put like 5 of them in there.
Oh.
Ping pong them all.
Did you ask her?
What?
Just try to put it.
Can we put pong?
Yo.
Should we jump this?
Yeah. Hope it doesn't react with well.
Hurry guys, I opened the
My one? Yeah.
What you do, Jerry?
All of them together.
That's not gonna work. Jared. Can you get HCl? Your idea. Wait, put it on the little thing.
What are you guys doing? Nothing's gonna happen. Yeah, that was hard.
Off.
Okay, so every 30 seconds I'm gonna tell you to take the time.
Like, just. Oh God, Amy Park, you're gonna need these lights.
Ooh, it goes by 30s.
It goes by 30s. Record it every 30 seconds. It goes by 30.
390 plus. It's 420.
When Jared says record, then you
I
record.
record.
Just yell out the numbers, okay?
You're right. No, he'll yell at the numbers.
No, he'll yell at. Amy Park should have driven.
Perception's a little different from right here, but it's okay.
Yes, but at 0 seconds.
So do I go 0?
Yeah.
I just laughed too hard.
I got it. 0 miles per hour.
I believe in you.
Yeah, I believe in myself too.
Okay, yeah. We're coming up.
Yeah.
Record. What is it?
33 miles per hour. Oh my god, that took a while to calculate. I have to go by
We're gonna
5.
be at 0 for like oh shit, never mind.
Profanity!
And record.
54. I guess I don't have to write miles per hour every time I write this down.
When Wade was like, don't do cruise control, I'm tempted. I swear.
And I swear. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Skedaddle. Oh my god. No, that was bad. Let's not do
Onwards!
Yeah!
My life.
Yeah!
Look at it.
Gunshots.
hate my life.
Gunshots. Who knew we'd be doing our calc project at IKEA?
I'm pretty satisfied with this IKEA food.
Took over Amy's vlog because she went to go get coffee.
I told myself I would never eat at IKEA in my life, but
It's a
here
lot.
I am.
And it's pretty good, right?
It kind of tastes like, I don't know.
Oh, what the? Oh, that looks good. What is it? I don't know. I got mashed potatoes. Jared got a whole lot of food. And Amy's still waiting. I'll go with her. Keep the vlog.
Okay. So this one time, I don't remember what I was gonna say. This is kind of like mukbang where you like eat on camera.
You're fishy. Why did we get so many napkins?
Fishy?
Yeah.
Jeannie Kim exposed.
Oh well.
Screw Amy Park. This is about us.
This looks so good.
I would have totally took credit for it.
I put a little ice in it so it's not watered down. I mean,
Emily, remember that time that
I remember clearly.
I think that was the funniest thing Amy has ever said. And I was like, Amy? I was like, you can't water down water.
That's what
And
you
she
think.
was like, oh.
I put ice in it. Oh!
just like stabs you.
I'd rather not Jimmy Kim. Like, we have to actually draw them in. How are we gonna?
Ready?
Jimmy Kim, Jimmy Kim, Jimmy Kim.
2000.
Ham, chicken, ham.
That hit me.
No. You would have felt it.
You're right.
I was just gonna ask. You guys do something.
We have to jump.
Probably.
Okay, you watch and then we'll like. You have to tell us. Wait, I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
I feel like my heart.
Know just what you want. Oh, what a justice. Put it in a song. Alright. All alone, I watch you watch her.
2, 9, 6, 5. Go. Onwards. Quicker.
Pay for your friends. I take that as a compliment. Oh.
Stop and go. This is scary. I don't like this.
Oh my god. This wasn't on the driving, like, the perma test.
No, it wasn't. I'm gonna start recording now.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Was she okay?
I think
I was late.
yeah.
Really?
I think
Got a boy back home in Michigan, and it tastes like Jack when I'm kissing him. So I told him that I never really liked